To access secure folder when you forgot its password in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open your secure folder either from the setting menu or from the app screen. In this video, we will open the secure folder from the app screen. To do so, go to the app screen, find secure folder, and then tap it. Now, enter any password, tap done button. If you have entered the wrong password, you will be given an option to reset your password. As a note, this option will appear only if you have set to enable reset with Samsung account option after selecting a log type when creating a new secure folder. Next, tap Forgot Password. A pop-up will appear to inform you that in order to reset your secure folder password, you need to sign in to your Samsung account. To continue the process, tap Reset. Now enter the password of your Samsung account. Tap OK button. If you have entered the right password, you will be directed to a screen where you can select a new log type for your secure folder. As the example, we will select password. Enter your new password. Tap Continue. Re-enter the password to confirm it. And then tap OK button. By doing this, you have successfully reset your secure folder password. Now, reopen your secure folder and then enter your new password to access all what you have saved in your secure folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.